All right, so the end of the year is here and it is the festive season. So I want to say a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you who are our loyal supporters here on YouTube and elsewhere. Especially for you guys who are here on YouTube following this channel. If you've liked or subscribed to our channel, I want to say thank you and please continue to spread the word in the coming new year. So in the past 1 year, we've done a lot of things. As you know, we started building the road that is leading to where we will have the dock for people who own their private boats to park their boats. We also built the fence around a 3-acre block of land there for use by our workers as the equipment yard. And also I started building a 1-bedroom apartment there just so I can stay on site whenever I'm here to work. Lining up what is going to unfold in Exeter in the coming new year. One thing I would like to say is that I would really love for you to still continue to spread the word. I'll let a lot of people know about Exeter and let us bring in more people who can buy their spots so that we can fill up the communities and start developing the residential community. I think that is one thing that we need to start doing as soon as we get these community blocks filled. Besides that, we are still working on different components of Exeter. We are designing the healthcare zone that should be completed sometimes in January. The residential community, we are working on designing what the future residential community, at least a block of the residential community, will look like once everything is built out. So we'll share that update with you as well in January. But looking forward into the new year, we are really excited because we've done a lot of laying the groundwork in 2023. So 2024, we are just going to pick up from where we are today. One thing I wanted to share with you today is that, which has been a key thing that has been missing, that sometimes makes it slightly difficult to share the news, the good news about Exeter with friends, is we haven't had a website. Now we have a website that you can click and share with everyone, and the URL is just exityafrica.com. Remember, there is no C in Exeter, so it's exityafrica.com. So please go ahead and share the link. It is right here on the screen, and it's also going to be posted in the metadata section of this video. You can check in the video description section, it will be listed there. So it's exityafrica.com. So this is how our website looks like. So first thing you will notice is that the URL is just this, exityafrica.com. You type this in, you will land right here at the landing page. From the landing page, you can also click the About Us button. It takes you to an important page that helps you learn a little bit more about Exeter. And we will, for now, we'll just go here and go to the home page, and by clicking that, this takes you to the home page. And at the home page, you'll see a little picture going up which is telling a story about how we began with just the land, and we started doing some basic things with our hands, and then from there we brought in some equipments. We started building the equipment yard, and what is the next thing to come? The next thing that we wish to be doing will be like building some of the utilities like the solar farms, and then start building some homes for people as well. These will be the next waves of things, right? So that's a little story here for you on our home page. And also there's a little bit of note here, tells you a little bit more about what we do, and clicking this button takes you right back to our landing page. But if you click here, this is our menu button now, and then you can start learning more. The About page is one important page that I will ask people to come to. Visit the About page. This About page really has a lot of important information. If you are new to the idea of Exeter, or if you just want a single page that gives you all the things you need to know about Exeter, visit the About page. It's really cool. You scroll down, you learn more, you learn about the background. These are some of the things that motivated us to start Exeter. Learn a little bit about that. And then read the mission and the vision statement here, right? These are the things that we are trying to achieve, these principles, right? So these are the mission statements or the principles. But also here, on all subsequent pages, you have this hamburger menu that you can use, or you can still continue to use this menu, right? But on the hamburger menu, again, you can see a lot of things here. And one of the key pages you want to visit is the investment page. But you can also go to the investment page by clicking the investment opportunity. And this residential homes just show you the various residential homes that we have. But let's go to the investment page here and see what happens. If you click the investment page, the page loads up, and then you start to see some things. Remember, always you can just click this hamburger menu and hit the investment page. But let's scroll down and see what happens here. So the investment page is a little bit animated. So this is really fun, and you see what this entire page is about. As you scroll down, what are the things that we want to do? You see them. And then it tells you a little bit about the message we want to spread here. Basically, we want to invite people to invest into 4 different categories, sectors, right? We have the education, the industry, the healthcare, and the residential sectors, right? And you can also click any of these to learn more about education, industry, healthcare, and the residential community. So I will invite people to click on any one of those to learn more. But the other thing again is that we have a certain type of value system, right? We respect industry, empathy, creativity, integrity, sustainability, and science. All of these things speak to our core values, and we want to make sure that people understand these things, right? So the other thing, so you can click on any one of these. Maybe we can click on industry. You can visit the industry page and you can scroll down. This will tell you like the investment opportunities that we have in the industry, right? Whether it's construction, but various types of constructions, right? So these are the things in industry. We want to build actual industry like renewable energy, right? Solar microgrids, right? We want to invest into that, right? Temperature control warehouses, right? So remember, Exeter is close to the airport. The temperature control warehouses actually offer a viable business solution there. So we have people who export and import goods through that airport, and some of these goods are temperature sensitive, right? Some of the food, for example, we export from Liberia to the US, they go bad if the exporters actually prepare these foods a long time ahead of the shipping date or the flight schedules, right? So they actually struggle. They must make these foods, prepare these packages, whether it's fish or other types of things that go bad easily. They prepare them like on the eve or maybe say 2 days in advance of the flight schedule, right? And if God forbid they were to miss those flights, they lose a lot. So this warehouse, temperature control warehouse, right by the airport, that can deliver store your food and your goods at the warehouse and then deliver them right at the airport in our delivery vans. So this is a business opportunity. I invite people to look at this site and really find out things, right? Whether we want to build an ice block factory that will be powered by solar farms, like all of these, right? The other thing actually which Exeter can be a customer of, if you were to build this today in Exeter, you already have an internal customer, right? I'm not even talking about the external customers, right? In the vicinity of Exeter, all of the construction work that is going to be there, those are external customers. But within Exeter, when we are doing the construction, we need building materials. We need a hardware plaza that we ourselves can buy these goods from. So if someone is willing to invest into these areas, those are the opportunities that you should reach out to us for, right? So there's a lot more. And if we didn't have any of the ones that you think you want to invest into in Exeter, reach out to us. And how do you reach out to us? It's very simple, actually. You can just go to our hamburger menu again here, click there, click contact us, you get to the contact page. So when you get to the contact page, for any general inquiries, you can click here to reach us. Or this is our email address. Always reach out to us, info@exeterafrica.com, or our WhatsApp number is here. You can do this. And for those of you who want to follow us, we have our Facebook link, our WhatsApp link, and our YouTube channel. You can always go to these places. Let's look at what else is here. We have our career page, guys. So we'll be doing a lot of hiring, right? We haven't started actively hiring yet, but once we start hiring, our vacancies will be posted here, and you can come and search by keywords and location, and you will find some of the homes, some of the jobs that will be available, for people who want to apply. The other thing, we also have a payment portal. So for most of these services, right, you can come here, choose to pay whatever you want to pay for. And this is a very secure payment site, right? In fact, once you click, it takes you to another tab, which is the Stripe tab. So this is generated only for you. Every time you click, it's generated, so this cannot be stolen. And once you finish this page, you close it, it vanishes. Nobody else can come to this page. So your credit card information is not even stored by us. So you can choose to save it on your browser so that you can return here every time and do payment easily. But some of the things you can pay for here are, for example, your land, maybe architectural services. You can pay for your home. Maybe if we start constructing your home, if you select the mongoose or the flamingo or the gazelle, we can start paying for them, right? And as we build, as we create more designs, varieties of design, those options will also be available here. But you can also pay for other things here. Like, for example, people are now using this to pay for their t-shirt, and we accept various forms of payments for your services. So you can choose any of these forms of payment, credit card or debit card or cash app, you can use it on this site, and everything here is secure. But let's go back to the payment portal here. But again, so this is what we have here, and you can always click the home button. That takes you right back to the home. So I think this is a really cool site. I'm really super proud of the team that built this site. They did a great job, and I'm really looking forward to having this page out there. People should share it. Please spread the word out to friends. excityafrica.com. Take it to everywhere you go. It's very easy. excityafrica.com. Just remember, there is no C in Exity. It's XITY Africa.com. Spread the word, and we want to thank you for all of the support. Share the word, share it everywhere. Thanks, bye.